Hello guys, this is my fourth Honor 8X. I'm unboxing now. Nice packing. I hope everything will be fine. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. This is Euro charger. Huawei 5V 2A. Here is the phone. Here is the beautiful phone Honor 8X. Let's open the Let's open it. This is screen protector, and I ordered. Here is the beautiful phone Honor 8X. Excellent phone. This is the back cover. I will not remove back cover because this is for my friend. He will remove it. And let's see how it's. Okay, I just turn it on. Everything is fine. Very beautiful phone. This is my fourth phone. I ordered. This is fourth phone. One for my son, and one for me, and two for my friends. This is fourth phone, and this is budget phone, cheap and best. Very good phone. Beautiful phone. Yeah, it comes with Play Store. Very beautiful phone. Okay. Let's check the settings. About phone, system, update, about phone. 4 GB RAM, 128 GB total storage. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. In date and time, I'll change the 24 hours to 12 hours. So that will be okay. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Bye.